So first of all, I want to tell you. So this is Ansh Infotech. So I started to give the training in SAP MM with old version and new version. So as you know, there is two versions. So currently in the market, new version is going on. So which is SAP S4 HANA. So now in the market there is a lot of scope in SAP in different modules. So like SAP MM, PP, QM, PS, FI. So there's a lot of model is there. So now I just shared as PPT to give a brief explanation of SAP S4HANA in sourcing and procurement in SAP S4HANA. Okay, so this is the latest version. So in the market, there's a lot of version is available in SAP S4HANA. So recently latest version is released SAP S4HANA 2022 version. So but currently in India only 2022 or 2021 version is available. So now first of all, what is the different like what is the SAP MM? And what is the SAP, what is the SAP S4 HANA. So I just want to explain you in one type. So one way. So like SAP stands for System Application and Production Data Processing. So SAP S4 HANA, uh, okay, SAP S4 HANA is suit for HANA. So generally, SAP S4 HANA stands for suit for HANA as the product was written to take advantage of HANA, which debuted in 2011. But that time only HANA database was there. So after 2011, SAP S4HANA was completely written was born in 2015. So there is one latest version was there, SAP S4HANA 1505 version was there. So okay, so there is a representing it from business suite on HANA, a version of SAP for HANA architecture. So SAP ERP Central Component released in 2013 that run on SAP for HANA. So in 2013, ECC was there. So that time 2013, 2014, so that is running on another database. So before this, it was running on different multiple databases there in the market, like Oracle database, and there's a lot of databases are in the market. So what so in 2013, in actually in 2011, HANA database is made by SAP. Okay, so generally, once more again, I just want to tell you, introduce to you what is SAP S/4HANA. So SAP S/4HANA is an ERP business tool based on the SAP HANA in memory database, so that allow companies to perform transaction and analysis business data in the real time. So what does SAP S/4HANA? So SAP S/4HANA gives you a real-time data, real-time analysis, real-time everything you can get a real time. But in ECC, so that is a not in the system in real time. Sometimes if you are posting some data, if you are doing some data, so then after 1 month, after 2 months, so everyone is running the costing by using CK11 technique. So then after that, system will show you the real time database, real time data. But in SAP S/4HANA, so CK11 without CK11 without CK11, and you can see the your real time data in our SAP S/4HANA in MM module, in PP module, in all the module is available. Okay. So now, what is the difference between SAP HANA and S4 HANA? So it's easy to be confused. So everyone is getting confused. Ki what is HANA and what is S4 HANA? So actually, both are very different. So not very less. a little bit different is there. So it's easy to be confused about SAP HANA as for HANA. So the two sound very similar. It is looking very similar. To put it simply, SAP HANA is the in-memory database technology. HANA, SAP HANA is in-memory database technology that runs the SAP landscapes. So it means this is the database. SAP HANA is the database, but SAP S4 HANA is a application. You can say is the business suite launch as the next generation ERP designed to run exclusively on the SAP and the HANA database. So SAP, so these are the main difference. कि HANA is the database where the data will run in memory database technology. Okay, in SAP landscape, but S4 HANA is different thing. S4 HANA is the type of applications, type of like landscape. You can say a launch pad. You can say so SAP S/4HANA is the business suite launched as the next generation ERP designed to run exclusively on the HANA database, right? So next, so what's the difference between SAP ECC and R3? So before ECC, it was R3. So in R3, so client server module. So in ECC system, there is a NetWeaver is new things. So in R3, three-tier application architecture was there, but in ECC, ERP central component was there. So, but in R3, optimized for data storage. So in ECC, optimized to integrate the key business function. But in R3, the procedure to SAP Business Suite. So in SAP ECC, the core ERP of SAP ECC and the business suite. Right? So these are the four difference between ECC and R3. So both are different. Both are old version now. But we should know what is R3 and what is ECC and what is HANA and what is S4 HANA. So there is four version. But before R3, there was R2, R1. So initially it was R1. So after that, SAP built some new system. They have customized. Built some new system R2. So after R2, they have made R3. And then after that ECC. Then after that HANA. Then so after that SAP S4 HANA. So now latest version is going on in the market HANA. HANA database, right? So now, so what is the main difference between SAP, ECC, ERP, and S4 HANA? So database, there is a database differences. So third party database, Oracle, IBM, etc. So actually, as I tell you in previously, in ECC, so 100 database is different, ECC, but in as for HANA, 100 database is going on. So what is the database? Where our data is getting stored. So that is our database. So now, but in S4 HANA, so SAP HANA database is available. Okay. So if I'm checking like FICO point of view, so FIGL account are mapped to CO primary cost element. Okay. So but in S4 HANA universal general stores both GL and cost element. So now what happened? At the time of at the time of creating a GL, so it's that time in FI, so we have to create manually cost center. But in S4 HANA, at the time of GL creation, system will convert automatically that GL equal to cost center. So we don't need to create a separately that cost center, right? So and next I'm looking new general ledger is there. Okay, choice of classes, GL structure of the new GL structures. So in S4 HANA only uses only the new GL. Okay, so customer vs vendor. So there is a multiple difference in BP, in customer and master and vendor master. So in ECC system there is separate report, separate screen, separate transaction, and separate configuration is there for vendor and customer. But in S4 HANA Both are combined and making as business partner. Okay, so what happened in business partner, we can use same grouping, we can use same number as for both vendor and customer, and we use same T code for both to create chain display. Okay, so there's a three role is there in our business partner. And so there is a lot of things has been changed in customer and vendor master. So, okay, so instead of multiple T code, we was using in ECC, but now in SAP only one T code we have to use. Okay, but table is old. So now system is giving some table is old for vendor master. And in actually in business partner, there is two number. We can generate as a two number. One is for business partner is different. So business partner is different, and one more number is vendor. So both number are, you can also see sometimes we can see that both number will get different. Business partner table is different, and vendor master table is, but both table is available in our SAP system. Okay, so from SD point of view, SD rebate processing was there. So in as long as settlement management through condition contract is there, right? So after that, now we comes on the main point, which is mostly in interview everyone is asking what is different between ECC vs S4 HANA. Okay, so main difference first of all was I already told you two or three difference I tell you, but again I will tell you multiple difference. So data, so based on in ECC database was different. So MSQL, MS SQL, Oracle, database, MHDB was using, but as for HANA only HANA database is there, must run on HANA only. So in ECC, separate customer and vendor T code, yeah, files is there, but in as for HANA, they both are combined. So that is business partner only one T code is there. Multiple table and aggregate table are obsoleted in SAP. In actually multiple tables and aggregate table are there in EC system, but in S4HANA, so that is absolute, and that is reduced the logistic tables, lot of logistic table, lot of FICO table reduced. Instead of that, some new tables were available in SAP S4 HANA. So primary user interface GUI is different, but in SAP S4 HANA there is primary user interface Fury. GUI GUI is secondary, but primary is SAP Fury interface was there. So classic GL or new GL is available in our SP HANA, but in S4HANA only new GL is available. So in ECC, material ledger is optional. Okay. So material ledger is optional, but in S/4HANA Metal Ledger is mandatory. So SD rebate processing was there, and but in S/4HANA settlement rebate condition was there is there. So in SAC system, foreign trade elements included, but in S/4HANA foreign trade moved to global trade services. So in ECC warehouse management is there, but in S/4HANA stock room management and our extended warehouse management is available, including, but in ECC it was a separate system. So in as for in ECC system, dual ABAP and Java stock is available, but S4HANA S4HANA release 1809 and later does not support a dual stack system setup. Kernel versions 7.73. So in ECC system, legacy system migration work by SMW is primary data to load, but in S4HANA system, there is a new cockpit LTMC is the primary data load tool. So in ECC system, material number length is 18 digit maximum, but in S4HANA, material number length 18 digits are available, but we can extend it to from 18 to 14 digit. Okay, so these are the main differences between SAP ECC and SAP S4 HANA. Okay, so now what is the deployment of SAP S4 HANA? So this is our interview question. So there are some deployment of SAP S4 HANA. One is on-premises, second is cloud-based, third is hybrid mode. Okay. So sourcing performance is SAP S4 HANA. So in now I'm telling you what is the sourcing and procurement in SAP S4 HANA. So our automated sourcing and procurement management software help streamline your process while delivering near real time insight into your machine spend. So supplier and market information, centralize the purchasing for better flexibility and visibility across your organization. Okay. So there's a lot of topics in Apple SAP S/4HANA: simple logistic overview, main components, simple item, business partner, Vivo, check implementation list, SAP Reacts, and deployment topics, procurement types, operation procurement, invoice management, contract management. So create business partner, activate material ledger, lean service procurement, flexible workflow for PR and PO, simple logistic, NLT and setting on cockpit data migration. Okay, so these are the new topics. Are there some? Okay, so these are so I will in next session I will start one by I will give us I will start the training by one. Like first of all, overview is done. So in next topic will be main component. What is the main component is the one, and what is the implementation item, and what is the so step by step we'll make the video for you. And so please uh, like, comment, and share my video. And also if you want to any doubts, if you want to any comments, you can comment me. And if you want to anytime you can uh, comment to make a video for any topics related to SAP MM. Any interview question is like if you have any question in your mind, any query, then you can ask me friendly. So thank you very much.